bounce, 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 bouncing on your ice trampoline.
This is the final part of installing the zipless net, which is the tunnel effect entry here. So we've done everything else. The last thing we do is tie off these straps, go underneath the inside of the padding, and you can just pull them through the springs. They come back, these are the two straps, they just come back to the edge of the frame here, or the enclosure pole, and you just tie them off fairly loosely. You don't want to lift the pads. And you can adjust them as you go along. So I'll just tie a bow on that. Yeah, so that's fairly loose. So you've got the start of your entrance there, and the pads. This is the second section here. It's got the long elastic cord that's supplied. It goes back underneath the pads through the springs again. And that creates your tunnel entrance just over the frame, back through for itself again. You just lock that off with the tensioner on there. That's all it is. And there you've got the entrance, extremely safe, the double flap, so if they bounce against it, it does close on itself. Otherwise they can make a decision to leave the trampoline.
You can have fun bouncing on your ice trampoline.